This is my review of the Blackstone 4-burner grill. And here it is. I've been using this grill, taking it to farmers markets. It's worked really great, and I'm looking forward to this this table. If you can imagine this without the table on it, you really just have the two side shelves. But I wanted to show you a couple of features that you kind of don't really see on the descriptions. It's kind of hard to see, but are really going to be helpful. The first thing that I want you to see is this area right in here. If you've had the Blackstone grill for any amount of time and ever tried to use it in a windy condition, what happens is it really does hamper the flames. What I had done in the past is I had created some kind of aluminum little pieces that I hung over the side, and I just kind of folded this over, and then I just kind of set that, you know, over the side of the grill to act as a windscreen. And it worked, but it didn't work so good as I think this is, because what you've got is where the wind would blow in, where the vents are right here. Right now you've got this nice little, it's kind of like a chimney really, and so wind blowing across is not going to go down under and mess with your flame. So I think that's going to be really, really nice. The next thing is a huge amount of space. We're going to show you how to set the shelf up real quick. So you go ahead and pull this up and pull your bracket up from down below. And you pull your two pins out. Pull this down. Pull this down. Put your bracket in over here. And then you put this up. And you're good to go.